new here, my name is Maria, and to all my subscribers, thank you for just being there in this journey with me. So I've had this hairstyle on my head for about 13 days, so tomorrow makes it 14 days, so that's 2 weeks, but I want to undo it right now. So we are gonna take it down and see the growth, because yeah, I've been doing, so see, I can see some growth, but it's not even yet 2 weeks and my hair is already so spoiled it can't like go on. So I've had this protective hairstyle on and I can't wait to see how my hair looks like, what are the results. Although well, not to toot my own horn, but I am very impressed with my hair at this point. I'm just like, wow, it keeps up. It's just that the progress is so great, and I'm just so glad I'm on this journey, you know. It feels so nice. So I'm finally taking care of my hair and it's thriving. Just goes to show that if you put the work in, of course you'll get results, but you have to put the work in. So I'm ready to take this down and we'll see how the cornrows look. So this was some crochet. Watch my previous video to see how I did this. And yeah, I love you. Watched the whole video and like just join this journey with me. It's so like the point is so simple, and it is. If you take care of your hair, it's going to grow. It's as simple as that. Anyway, let's see what my growth looks like. Oh, watch till then. Thank you for watching my channel and for clicking this video. Oh, just yeah. Let's see the results.